Good morning and welcome back to the Head Teacher Spot. Well, we've had a busy 2 weeks. I have to say we usually do, but that's fantastic. Makes the time go by very quickly. I have to talk about our pop-up school. What a brilliant event that was. Couldn't believe how fantastic our teachers were. They'd organised lots of different activities for all the children and parents that came to see us. We gave out lots of information about our wonderful school and it was just a brilliant event. So if you missed us, well, I'm sorry about that, but you'll have to wait till next year when we do it again. That was an event that we were promoting our school production, of course, which is the Wizard of Oz. That's the 11th and 12th of March. So please do come and see that. We had a little bit of a snapshot of what was going to happen in that production, and it sounded really great. So please do come and visit 11th and 12th of March. Come and see our production. Today we went to an event that was organised by Radio Castellón, myself and Esther and Anna. We had sponsored the event and it was a talk given by an economist, a well-known Spanish economist, Santiago Niño Becerra. It was really interesting. I learned an awful lot about the world economy because I'm not an economics teacher, as you know. And of course we finished the week with Carnival. What an amazing event that was. All of our students were dressed up in lots of different costumes. You'll see all the photographs. And of course, got lots of other new things happening. So I'll tell you all about those in the next issue of the Head Teacher Spot. Thank you.